Hi scientists, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna put your funnel inside the bottle. My Play-Doh didn't cover quite all the way up, but that's okay. You're going to take 1/4 cup of baking soda and you're going to put it into the funnel. Now you're going to put the funnel back in and you're going to pour 1/2 cup of vinegar. And let's see what happens.